So hello everyone, I am Bhuvan Walde from Khusro Wadia Institute of Technology. Today I am going to talk about the great Indian Air Force scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. So as per you know, the first point is about the background. So I will start from there. This person has given a lot to Indian and we all should be proud that he was born in India. APJ Abdul Kalam full name is Alper Jalauddin Abdul Kalam. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu and studied physics and aerospace engineering. His father was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameshwaram and then now uninhabited. Kalam was the youngest of four brothers and one sister in his family. He was from one very poor family which would make him embarrassed in his childhood time. He had so many friends but of different castes that they would tease him. This led him to become an successful person. He believed in studies and started working hard towards his goal and he became the Air Force scientist. So the second point is about the contribution of APJ Abdul Kalam in DRDO. Dr. Kalam started his career at DRDO after graduating from the Madras Institution of Technology. He joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment ADE of the Defense Research and Development Organization as the scientist after becoming a member of a Defense Research and Development Service DRDS. Kalam started his career by designing a small horse cart at DRDO. In 1965, Kalam independently started a project on rocket and in 1969 he received the government's approval and expanded the program to include more engineers. In DRDO, Kalam directed two projects, namely Project Devil and Project Violent, which aimed at developing missiles from the technology of CLV program. Kalam also played an instrumental role in developing missiles like Agni and Prithvi under the IGMDP, of which he was a chief executive. He also played a major role in the Pokhran 2 nuclear test. Now, the third point is about contribution of APJ Abdul Kalam in ISRO. Dr. Kalam was a part of Indian National Committee for Space Research, which was set up by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, father of Indian space program. The team of rocket engineer of which Kalam was a part set up a Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, which was used by ISRO. Kalam was also the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, which successfully developed the Rohini satellite in near Earth orbit. Kalam has also played an contributory role in the development of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV). APJ has also won the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan for his contribution to ISRO and DRDO. So, has for his role as a scientific address to the government. It is also said that Satish Dhawan and APJ was really good friend. They made their first rocket by transporting the equipments on the cycle. This shows their love towards the work. He was the one of most motivated everybody in the country, which has inspiring speeches. He thought the oath of to take responsibility and work in the direction of development with loyalty and integrity. He was a man of simplicity and his dedication to his profession, patriotism and his love for children is always an inspiration to every individual. He made every Indian proud. Abdul Kalam is called the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of missiles and launch vehicles technology. Now I will end with the slogan of APJ Abdul Kalam, which is don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was a just luck, which means the people are here only to say you back. They feel jealous on your success. So do not take rest when you achieve anything in your life. Keep working hard for more achievements, because people will think that you have a good luck, so you have achieved the things that you have gotten in the life.